Aside from having the largest battery pack and being the most durable smartphone on earth, the HONOR X9d also comes with some pretty powerful AI features. It includes advanced generative AI, which is usually only found on flagship devices. Here I'm showing you a powerful photos editing suite that you may find very useful. First, AI Upscale. As the name suggests, it can upscale low-resolution images into sharp, high-resolution photos. As you can see here, the difference is quite substantial. This is especially handy when you want to enhance or restore old photos. Next, AI Eraser. This allows you to remove unwanted objects or people from photos. The AI understands the image and generates a natural replacement for the background or object that were removed. The same goes for AI Outpainting, which lets you extend images or background by generating new regions around existing content. All these are powered by generative AI. You can even move subject and change background with AI cutout. There's also this AI beauty mode that fixes the ugly me to not so ugly but yet still ugly. HONOR AI Facetune uses AI to fix closed eyes in group photos by analyzing similar images of the same scene, so no more retakings is needed. And that's not all. There are plenty more AI features packed into this affordable yet capable mid-range device, such as AI Writing, Magic Portal 2.0, AI Glove Touch, AI Heavy Rain Touch, and many more. For a limited time, when you purchase the HONOR X9d, you will also receive a free tablet. Yes, this is the new HONOR Pad X7, along with 365 days of front and back crack protection, 1 year of liquid damage coverage, and 1 year extended warranty. So, which one is your favorite AI features? To share them in the comment box below. That's all from me on the HONOR AI that's found on the HONOR X9d. If you have any questions, to drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Take care and I'll see you at the one.